Bahamas ShipOwner 509. It seems that Hong Kong has just lost 32 ships, bulk carriers from Hong Kong to Bahamas. They say it is because it is higher status flag. Then, if that is the case, if some Bahamas shipowners want to be at a higher status, contact Candina, because we do have perfect gross equal net wages crew, which many countries like Filipinas, they have $150 retention from governments and many other issues and so on. We are members of IMEC also, and if you're looking to grow the reputation and keep the cost and have a long-term retention, goodwill of your company, intrinsic value, contact Candina. It's a pity for Hong Kong, but many rumors are around that other ship owners are looking at flags. Why? Because you can shop flags, can't you? Well, there's one thing you cannot shop around is talent. So if you want to have control of your talent via Bahamas ShipOwner, because you want to be the employer and you need an agency, because you want to be under a Downey's, the full crew management in your system and not in a technical company's system, because they could really get your data protection, compliance, confidentiality, because you don't want that company to publish in social media what's your name and last name when you put the wages. Yes, we never do that. Is this confidential? Of course it is, to report the name of a client. You cannot do that. That's data protection. And there's many other rules, dear Bahamas ShipOwner, that are around that you cannot really just feel them, but you can smell them. And if there is a change of reputation, this case is from Hong Kong to Bahamas, welcome. But is there more headwinds? Yes, of course. Let's serve together, dear Bahamas ShipOwner. Thank you. Looking forward to your time, because free I will do this plan, architecture of the next 25 years, HR department, direct, and you could really have a huge savings in direct, being the employer indirect, having an agency indirect, control of your database with the key that you only have, and direct control of all your crews and the finances and many more. Thank you.